Do you recognize this man? North Korea ski team. Yeah, today we are staying at the City Backpacker Hostel here in Stockholm. Yeah, it's supposed to be the best value place to stay here in Stockholm. And this the funny thing is the same price as my burger lunch and my Five Guys milkshake. For that lunch I paid 30 euros and the hostel costs 32 euros. Yeah, and here we have it. You see here, yeah, the green. There is the City Backpackers Hostel. And of course I only have a bed here for one night. But it's quite fun that my lunch was quite expensive, but my hostel quite affordable to be in Europe. I can remember when I was in Lisbon, I paid almost the same price for a hostel, like 35 euros, 32 euros. It's quite normal in the bigger cities in Europe. If you're in Western Europe at least. Yeah. So let's go in and see if we have a bed here or not. Yeah. Here we have it. We have like a terrace as well. Yeah. Maybe they have something to drink as well. Yeah. Whoa. Upplandsgatan is the name of the street. Oh, yeah. And see if they speak English or Swedish. So here we have it. Hej! Jag har en bokning. Ja, pass kan vi köra.
När det stängs så är hela det här utrymmet stängt.
Ah, okay, yes.
Och vi stänger klockan 8 ikväll, öppnar vi 9. Så när du checkar ut imorgon är det inget du behöver göra här, utan du bara tar lakanen och slänger dem i skåpet som är bara mitt emot entrén här ute.
Ah, ja.
Och sen är det fri att gå.
Ja, tack så mycket. Ha det bra. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, it's a really good hostel here. I think this is the same room. See here. Maybe I'm lost. I think it's this way. Ja, Ekerö. Yeah. Hi. Yeah, so this is the room, and I choose this bed. I think I share it to other people. And here we have the lockers. It's always great to have. And I have my own pick lock with me. Yeah. This costs 35. Yeah. Yeah, well, I've been here before, but not in this room. So it's a new room for me. Yeah, that's nice. So let's make the bed. Yeah, so something is very typical with the Swedish hostel, that you have to rent a towel. That is not only Swedish, but also you need to rent your sheet. And you cannot, yeah, you can bring your own sheet, but you don't really do it. So you have to pay like $6 extra or 6 euros extra for the bed lines and a towel. So the total price is around 40 euros. Like, I think I paid like 360 plus the bed sheets for 60 Swedish kronor. So yeah, around 40 euros I think is the price for this bed in central of Stockholm. But now I'm going to see if we can find a bathroom. So I will show you the bathroom, but it's quite clean. Yeah, I like it. It's quite high standard. No window, but it's quite cold here, and it will be pitch dark. So if you like sleeping in the dark, this is a perfect room for you. Yeah, and yeah, quite good. So yeah, they also have a lot of activities here. If you're staying for a long time, today they have fika, but I missed the fika. I was just lying in my bed and relaxing. But now we will go to the bathroom. Tomorrow I think they have like a bike tour around Stockholm, so it's quite nice. But see the bathroom. Oh, here we have it. Oh, here we have one bathroom. Let's see if they have a shower somewhere. Huh. Oh, here is Skåne, south of Sweden. It's a very old map. They even have a guest laundry room. Huh. Oh, it's like €5 or €4, $5. Yeah, it's quite. Yeah, still like for Europe, and everyone's saying that Sweden is super expensive. No, the food is super expensive actually. My lunch was like €30. Yeah. Oh, the common area. Yeah, really nice. Yeah, and then if you have friends, or if you're making friends, you have games. But I don't have any friends now. I have you guys. No. Oh, this is my childhood. Wow, it's Finland against Sweden. Yeah. Whoa. See. Oh, here, I think here is a bathroom, like showers. Huh? Quite, yeah. Hair dryer. Yeah. Very small bathroom, almost like the train bathrooms. But the showers are quite nice. Oh yeah. But wow, super small. If you're a very big person, you don't really fit in here. Oh yeah, but I'm not that big, so I'm okay. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. So it was a long time I stayed in a Swedish hostel. I cannot really remember when. I've been, maybe it was the last time I was here. And that was like 10 years ago. I think so. Yeah, but now I will drink some water. Something I really like, I will miss about not being in Sweden, is drinking the tap water. Yeah, you can drink the tap water. Oh yeah, look here. I will show you guys. You can even, this is like, I will really miss. Yeah, it's something I miss when I'm not in Sweden, is the tap water. Yeah. So tomorrow, no, in 2 days I need to buy water. It's like hunting for water. You always forget that when you are traveling, that you need to buy water. In Sweden, you can drink the tap water almost everywhere. So cheers, and thank for this amazing hostel. Oh yeah. Yeah, I really like this hostel. I think they have actually renovated the hostel. I think I stayed in some of this room last time. Huh. Oh, yeah. Oh. So I can highly recommend you staying in this hostel if you want to maybe meet people, save money. Yeah. Yes, so another Coca-Cola. Yeah. So 4 euros Coca-Cola. Yeah. I think I will go in and have a rest before I will do something more in the evening. That will be in the next video. But yeah. Oh, another. Ah, it's a football. Tack så mycket. Yeah, so it's not really a party hostel. Even they have a bar called No Man Bar. Yeah, that I will show you now. Oh, but I really love. Yeah, it's a really good place here actually. You can also rent bikes here, I think. But here they have a restaurant and bar, and yeah, look like a live band we play here later. Yeah, it's quite. Yeah, it's actually quite nice here. Yeah, so I cannot really complain about anything here. Yeah, so I highly recommend you to stay here if you're looking for hostel in Stockholm. So I think I will finish the video up here. Oh, I always find new places. Do you recognize this man? North Korea ski team. That was nice. Or nice. And there we have the enemy, America, South North Korea. So I will end that with North Korea and America. See you in the next video from Stockholm.